I'm thrilled to share my experience with the newest launch from Glow Recipe, the Cloudberry Bright Moisture Cream. As someone with dry skin, I was excited to try this product, and I'm happy to report that it has exceeded my expectations. It contains cloudberry seed oil rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and E. This superfruit helps brighten and even out skin tone. It has Coenzyme Q10 powerful antioxidant that strengthens skin and helps retain moisture. While it has peptide lipid complex, a combination of nourishing fatty acids and smoothing peptides that leaves skin feeling bouncy and soft. The packaging of this product is truly amazing. It comes in a beautiful glass jar that's not only visually appealing, but also eco-friendly. The best part, the jar is refillable. Once you finish the product, you can simply purchase a refill and reuse the jar. This reduces waste and makes it a more sustainable option. The scent of this product is light and lovely, with notes of citrus, floral, and musky undertones. It's not overpowering and fades quickly, leaving a subtle musky scent that disappears after an hour. The texture of this moisturizer is whipped and buttery, making it a joy to apply. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no oily or tacky residue behind. My skin feels smooth, hydrated, and supple after application. I'm thoroughly impressed with the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Moisture Cream. It's perfect for dry skin like mine, providing long-lasting hydration and a soft, bouncy texture. I recommend using it morning and night for optimal results. The eco-friendly packaging and refillable jar are added bonuses that make this product a standout in the skincare market. If you're looking for a moisturizer that provides intense hydration, brightens, and smooths the skin, look no further than the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Moisture Cream. It's a game changer for dry skin, and I'm confident you'll love it just as much as I do.